Hello team, coming on here right now to make this quick video to give you guys an update of how the live stream did today, as I had good moments and along the way how I ended up making about closing my day with $36 in the green. And at one given point I was high up at 56,000, but then chopped around the market, came down, and we're going to do a recap of how the whole day flowed and how at the end of the live stream I ended up sharing the trade performance report as well, that you guys can come in here and check out yourself as well over at The Crown Trading over on YouTube. So as we're taking a look at today, I started the account with an account balance. Let's see, I'm going to switch this over. So my account balance today started with about $50,000 for the day. And then after I was trading the $50,000 to start, after making the deposit, I went ahead and ended my day with a balance, or ending balance of 86,329. So let me kind of see if I can kind of actually bring that into the screen to actually show you. Where do I have it? Oh, I think I might have it on the other monitor. Give me a second. Yeah, it's on that monitor right there. All right, so you'll see the balance right there, 86,329.36 there in the corner. I don't know why this is the way it is. I'd probably have it. That's an older date probably. All right, anyway, back to what I showed here. Now that we're looking at these results here, this is how my day traded. The day started a little bit in the green, went a little bit red, then went into the green, red, fought into the green, then there was a slight rug pull with a flip, then I fought back, made more than what I had previously lost, another rug pull, slide up, back and forth a few times. I was chopping and flipping back and forth with the market along the way, but still going in the right and desired direction. And then at a given point in time, I over leveraged and we came all of the way up to about $56,000 and change. And all of a sudden I over leveraged in the positions that followed, because when I got up to this point, I got a little greedy and I thought, you know what, let me make it $100,000 day. Well, it became chaotic and I kind of fought back with the market, maybe recovered, but then thereafter I fell to the ground. And when we came all the way down to the lowest balance here, which was near about, I think that this balance, let's see, where was it when I finally fell down from the 56? Here, according to this report, it shows that it's supposed to be about $17,000, $18,000, but I actually ended up dropping to about, like, I think it was 12 to 14,000. Somewhere there, maybe 13, 12 to 14,000. And then I took a break. I went to lunch, ate something, just kind of vented and humbled myself. And then I came back to the screen. And when I came back, I started to focus on my strategy and, trying to take humble moves, maybe size down a little bit. It's still some larger size based on the cash value size of the account. And I was able to, go straight with caught a good number of opportunities to climb back uphill and kind of close the day with a high in the green. So today there was a moment where here I kind of went up to like 41,000, 42, but fought back with the market as we were closing the day at the end of the day and closed the day with 36,329. There were moments that I kind of like wondered, like, maybe I had to chill out, calm down, relax, and that's what gave me the green back at the end of the day. I usually go live about 1, 2, or 3 hours after market opens. I don't like to always trade the open. Sometimes I do wake up before the open and come to the live stream because it takes so long to set up the live stream. I go live maybe about an hour or two after that. So looking at this over on the right on how I traded, what I did actually trade this morning. According to this, I made a total of 176,000, gave back to the market 133 and taking home 43. But when I look at the actual balance, I don't understand the discrepancy why NinjaTrader's trade performance report here is showing me 43 when I'm actually closing the balance with 36,329. I wonder if that's before they take a few fees out of the system, and what the ending balance actually is. I don't understand that discrepancy. According to this, I got on the commission side 35.77, but if we go over to, oh, I didn't save it. Okay, never mind. I thought it saved it for me to show it to you. Well, according to this, 25.77 in commissions, trading the NQ. Profit factor is 1.32. Max drawdown was 39,812. Sharp ratio 35.79. And the trades that I took today was a total of 831 trades. I was 84.72% profitable the way I traded them. Total number of winning trades was 702. Number of losing trades was 127. And number of even trades is 0. Average trade return is $51.89. Average winning trade is 250.65. Average losing is 1049. I was holding my losers longer than I should have in that first part, which is why I ended up having these big rifts and drops. And then there were a few moments where I had there was slippage on flipping, and the volatility was high, and my NinjaTrader would not allow me to flip fast enough to get into the trade because of how fast it was trying to close out the large size. Average win to loss ratio is 0.24. Maximum consecutive winners is 78. Maximum consecutive losers was 11. Largest winning trade was 48.91. Largest losing trade was 70.33. You can just read the rest of the information when you have a chance. And if you want a better look at this information here, I'm going to be posting it over on the post channel, so you can look at the graphic and be able to zoom in or not. And as well, if you're watching this on YouTube, mobile, like on your cell phone or your tablet, you can actually select the quality of video to the max by clicking the gear icon on the top right corner, and then go to advanced settings and select the highest resolution, and then you can actually pinch zoom the screen so that you can actually see all of this information, in higher quality and graphics. So that is how my day went. At this time, I was only trading the NQ. Last night, I did take some MNQ trades as a test. That was only like a $200-300 difference. It's excluded and filtered out from here. Let's see. At least I think I did. I'll confirm shortly here for you. Let's see. Come on. It doesn't want to show it to me. I tried to filter just for the NQ. Anyway. All right. So that is how I ended up closing my day. 36,000 in the green. And let's see how big. This is day one of trading this 50K account, cash account, and use. In the near future, I do plan to trade other instruments as well, but only as the account balance officially gets big enough so that I can handle trading all of the different instruments all at the same time. So if you're interested in watching me trade live, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications of when I go live. As well, if you're interested in being able to get a Take Profit Trader account, you can use discount code DECROWN to get 40% off and no activation fee if you pass. All right. Please let me know if you have any questions. Would be happy to go ahead and help you. Take care, and I'll see you next time I see you. And like I always say at the end of every live stream, may your next trade be a green one. Take care.